guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am off to St Tropez with the wonderful Carl who's here. This has been a bit of a spontaneous trip. We had booked off this day to go to St Tropez for so long, but we literally didn't plan it until last night. And I think a few others were going to join us, but then dropped out. So I'm very excited to finally make it to St Tropez, but it is off season, so the times of which we wanted to go weren't possible. So we've had to get up stupidly early to get on really early trains so that we can make a ferry or a bus at 9:30. From Nice or Cannes, you simply get the train to Saint Raphael, and then from there you get either the ferry, which I think will be between 50 to 30 euros, or you go and get a bus, which will take an hour and a half instead, but only cost you 4 euros. So we're going to decide when we're there because we've literally got an hour to spare, and then hopefully we're going to make it to St Tropez. We might do some wine tasting and have a little look around the town. I'm very excited to see what it looks like because it's been on my to-do list forever. Made it to Saint Raphael and there's literally no one here. Like, I know it's obviously 8:30 in the morning, but like, it's literally a ghost town. So we're gonna walk to the port, check our options for ferries and buses, and then yeah, work it out from here and hopefully see some more people on the way. So guys, we chose to take the bus because also we couldn't actually work out if the ferry was still running at this time of year, because I know that it definitely runs like July, August time, but it seemed like the bus was the only option, and it only cost us 3 euros one way. It'll be 3 euros on the way back. You buy on the bus, they accept card, they accept cash, it's great. And now we are just about to walk through Saint Tropez and yeah, see what we see. So obviously we knew that we were coming in low season, but I totally didn't expect literally every shop to be closed. But it's like weird because there's like no tourists here, so it's like the perfect time to walk around and appreciate the architecture of this place. And the houses are just so beautiful and so pretty, so it's amazing to go and have a look around and take some pictures while there's no crowds, but there is a lack of things to do. So we are now currently walking on one of the St Tropez hikes. It's not really a hike, it's literally just a pathway to the beach, and there should be a beach restaurant open over there, so we're going to go and aim for that and hopefully have a really nice lunch. Then we're going to go wine tasting at Chateau, which was the whole reason really why we came here, so I'm excited to do that. But I mean, you can't not appreciate this view, it's insane. The beach place was closed and so is everything else. It's really nice to have it to ourselves because like these streets are like insanely gorgeous, but there is also like nothing open. We can't even find a restaurant to eat at, so we're going to go back to the port and hopefully there's something open there. Google Maps is lying to us because they keep saying that all these restaurants are open, but they're not, so don't trust Google Maps here. But yeah, we're going to make the most of it anyway, and the wine tasting is really going to put us through this. We have finally found this restaurant called Ciao, and we have sat down. I have a St Tropez spritz and it's actually delicious, and I'm a bit worried because it's 20 euros and I can't afford another one, but I want to. We have ordered burgers because it's the cheapest thing on the menu because everything is so expensive here. No, look at the view. It's pretty cool. We're just like chilling and watching people get into their yachts. This is a sad vlog, I can't lie. This has been an absolute travel fail, okay? So not only there was like nothing open, okay, but we tried to go right to the Chateau, which is famous for its wine, and this was something that we like came here for, and then we were so excited to see. We can't get a taxi. We can't get a taxi. We can't get any car. We have tried Uber. We have called local taxi services. We even called a limousine company, okay? Like, there is literally nothing available. Absolutely nothing. Like, what do you do here if you're like stuck and or like you've got too drunk and you can't drive? Like, what do you do? So it's currently 2:30 and we're back at the bus station. So yeah, this is our absolute travel fail, and we are kind of gutted because obviously, as I said, we came here for the Chateau and now we can't even get there, and it is open. So if you have a car, then I'd highly recommend going. They have wine tastings available. They're open all throughout the week, just not the weekends. and we can't go. Like, I'm so gutted. We have tried literally everything. There's not even a bus that goes there, so yeah. I might have to end this vlog here, but yeah, welcome to travelling life isn't always great. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.